Hello 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today I'm making a vegan recipe for you. This tofu dish is very tasty and pairs well with rice. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's get started! For this recipe, we are using medium firm tofu. Now drain the liquid. Then we cut into smaller chunks. Soak the tofu in the cold water to remove unwanted flavors. Cut the green onion into even pieces. And then cut the tomatoes. I like to cut off the end with the stem because it's hard. Now crush the garlic and remove the husk. Let's make the cornstarch slurry. Mix water with cornstarch until it's running. Now let's drain the tofu and pack it compactly dry before frying. Now add some oil into the hot wok. Make sure to compactly coat the bottom with oil. Add the tofu to pan fry. Fry each side for a couple minutes before flipping. Make sure to get the edges. When it's golden brown, take it out. Add more oil into the same wok. Now add the garlic and stir fry to release the fragrance. Then add white pepper and tomatoes. Cook for half a minute and add the tofu. Add seasoning soy sauce and vegan oyster sauce. Mix everything together and add water. When the sauce is reduced, add mushroom seasoning and cornstarch slurry. Mix together and finish off with sesame oil and green onion. Mix everything in and it's done!
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! The tofu is soft. It's savory and a little bit tangy from the tomatoes. So fragrant from the sesame oil, garlic, and onions. This is perfect vegan dish. It's very nice, very good. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。